Brian here with HBAR. Gonna take a look at this thing and see if we can figure out what's going on here. All right, we're below the moving averages here. Looks like an ABC correction. First off, you can see right here we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. Then after 5 waves comes an ABC. Now the tricky part with this one is measuring this thing out. All right. The question is, with all these wicks in here, all right, let's try it. Number one with the wicks, okay? Go from the top to the bottom. Excuse me, pull it over here. Right around a 618 here, okay? That's what you'd be looking for a B wave. And if we pull that down on top of this thing, and you'd be looking down here at, what, 3? Down towards 3 cents. Let's put a line down here once. Right about there. Okay, does that match up with anything? Yeah, it would take us right back to basically the bear market low in here. All right. Now, there's another way to measure this thing, which also seemed to work when I used it. If you take it without all these wicks, right, just take closing candles, and this is on a weekly chart. Pull this over. Alright, 618, same exact thing, A, B. Alright, now pull it down on top of that B wave. What do we got? You know, should be very, very close to a bottom here, if that is the way this is going. Without using the wicks, then technically this thing should have bottomed. Is there anything down here holding? You know, if that worked out, that would be right here, A, B, C. All right, and then the other one is with the wicks, right up here, the whole way down here, up here, and down there. All right, so now the question is which one we're using, and there's a big difference between the bottoms, obviously. All right, from that bottom to that bottom, it's a huge difference. It's 42%. All right, now if you're a member of the group, we're using a new leverage trading site. I know everybody had to get out of MEXC. The link for the new site for crypto blocks is in the description of the video. There's no KYC, nothing like that. A lot of people are going over there and signing up. Even if you're not a paid member, you can still use that link and get discounts for the crypto blocks group. All right, so check that out, please. And if you're interested in a level 3 membership, we have over 200 people in there, almost 5,500 subs, and it's only, what is it, $14.99. You get over 22 videos, over 10 hours of videos to watch to get your start chart, and a link to the Discord membership to trade with us. So if that interests you, please go check that out. All right. Now, does anything line up with the bottom being here? Let's go in on a 1 hour chart and see if we can find any type of bottom yet. Well, not really. All right. Had a push down here. Let's go on. What's the RSI on 1 hour? Heading down. Way oversold. Look at this 1 hour. Way oversold. All right. A little bit of tiny little bit of bullish divergence. This low, higher low, higher low, going on in there on the 1 hour. How about the 4 hour? 4 hour is on the bottom. All right, all zeros. The 8 hour, same thing, all zeros. Way oversold. 12 hour, there, 0 and an 11 right down there. Your daily turning down. Look at this. This thing is a minus 300 down here, minus 288. Extremely oversold on the daily. Hasn't been down there since way back here before we had this massive push up there. All right, and on a weekly, the weekly is just about reset. Okay, now your 5-day is on the bottom, your 3-day is on the bottom. All right, and you got bullish divergence here. All right, you got this low, you got a higher low. What about that 5-day? No bullish divergence there. That daily. Wow, that daily. Holy cow, minus 288. It is very, very low. All right, so you can see here also, this is a very, very solid landing point here. This is on a daily. Look at these. It's grabbed the 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th time it's hit that area and held on. All right, now this could be a 5th wave in here also playing out in this C wave. Let's take a measurement of it here. Let's see if what we got. Very, very close. You know, if this is a 5th wave here, and that's what it looks like. If you come down through here, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. Question is, will it stop here, or does it have to push down maybe just a hair more? You know, and it could wick down here just a little bit more and then pull back and grab support. I think it's about done here. I really, really do. I don't see it coming the whole way down here. You know, this thing, Bitcoin is about getting ready for a 5th wave here. That's when the altcoins should massively take off here. And look at that, looks like a head and shoulders in there, kind of, you know, almost. This big peak here, but, you know, I would say any break of, this is on a daily, especially if we get back above these moving averages, but any break of this resistance coming down through here, you know, should spell a bottom. You know, that should definitely do it. You break out of that and start to the upside, and I would say a bottom's in there. You know, you're looking for, excuse me, pullbacks up here. You know, the first targets would be, you know, if we bottom right there, if it holds, okay, you'd be looking right in this area through here. You know, right through there, up at, what is that? Let's pull this over so we can see the prices. You know, 9 to 10 cents, right? Where we at now? Down 6, right? So you'd be looking for a retracement up there, and if we break through them levels, you'd be looking up at 15. So we're going to get an alt season here. You know, I know this down pressure has been devastating. Right, you know, from right there, we're down, yeah, you know, it's been brutal, 45%. It's putting a beating on people. The fear and greed index is down to 41, you know, so fear is definitely in the market right now. And, you know, that's when they tell you, you know, buy the fear, you know, that's what they say. But we'll see what happens. We'll see if it holds here. That would be huge. That's about 0.066. I'd like to see it hold that area right where it's at right now. You know, don't want to see it lose that. If it does, it might wick a little bit below there, but I don't believe we're going to see this down here. Not yet. No, you know, I think we got one more big push to the upside coming. We have an alt season coming, so we're going to get that push eventually. Thank you so much, guys. I'll talk to you soon.